I used to argue a lot with people, not like fights or anything, but debates. Try to convince people to do certain things, just because I see the world in a specific way, and I can be very stubborn, and I want to get my point across. Or not even just that, just be with people that we have different views on life, different values. And I recently learned this lesson that just change the frequency, don't change the person. So what this means is everyone in every moment in time is tuned to a specific frequency, like a radio station. If you want hip hop, old school, R&B, drum and bass, Afro beats, rock, whatever genre of music you like, there's a radio station that plays that kind of music. And all you need to do is just tune into it and then you get the music. But I spent a long time basically calling in a radio station and saying, change the music. I want to hear this. This music is great. These are all the reasons why you should play this music. And I spent so much time trying to get these radio stations to play the music, and they simply wouldn't. Maybe at some point they'll say, okay, we have a request. We're going to play this one song for you, or this half a song for you. And I'll be like, yeah, they did it. I'm happy. But they'll go back to the frequency that they were in. So don't let people gaslight you that the song doesn't exist, the frequency that you want doesn't exist. Don't let people gaslight you. Don't. It's not real. It's just they are on a certain frequency. Of course, that's their job to say it doesn't exist. But you're on a specific frequency, and you simply need to find others on that frequency. Find others that want to hear that song that you want to hear. And sometimes it's hard to find those people, and forget about that. Be that frequency, be that song, be that energy, and people would find you. Or you just live on that frequency for the rest of your life. But don't try to tell people, do this, be this person, do that. No, no, no. Don't try to call into a radio station and force them to play different type of music. No, no. Just tune into what you want. So I hope this helps someone out there.